everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through all of my lip products, which has gotten pretty small. This is everything. I'm going to decide what I want to keep out and what I'm going to go ahead and pack away. With these, I'm not sure how many I'm going to keep. Maybe up to 5. I think that would be good. 5 different choices, because I don't want to wear the same lipstick all the time. And yeah, so let's get started. This container has mainly my bullet lipsticks, except I have a couple that don't fit in that container, these Huda ones. And then these are glosses I just stuck there. So anyway, I think for sure I'm going to keep out this Charlotte Tilbury. This is Walk of a Star. So I'm going to, it's very pretty. I'm going to put it on my hand. There you go. I think it's a nice versatile color. That one I'm keeping out, I know for sure. Let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and put my glosses away. I'm not going to wear my glosses. And I have some other I've got, let's see. See, this one's Jeffree Star. I'm going to pack it. This one is Becca. I'm going to pack it. I got a Too Faced, a Tartist. I'm going to pack those glosses. And just go ahead. I think that's it for gloss. No, here, we got another one, another Jeffree Star. I'm going to pack all the glosses. Let me look at these 2 Huda lipsticks. I have Third Date. That's Third Date. I'm going to put it there. Third Date is here. And then I have Honeymoon. And I do plan on purchasing more of these, I think, later. Third Date is a little cooler tone than the Charlotte Tilbury. I think I'm going to keep out Honeymoon, which is that one. And I'm going to go ahead and put Third Date in to be packed. This is a MAC and Selena. I think this, I can't remember the name of it. I'm not going to squint to see, but I'm going to go ahead and pack it. Oh, I've got one of these is in my purse, and I'll just leave it in my purse. So I got Viva La Vagaria, which is very similar to the Walk of a Star, so I'm going to pack that one. And JK Magic is a nude. It's up here. I'm going to keep it out because I do want to keep a nude. This is a little melt lipstick I got. It's a brown color. What color is it? Frisky. Frisky. I think I'm going to go ahead and pack it. I like it. I got Velvet Teddy by MAC. It is also a nude, but I'm gonna go ahead and pack it. And then I have these 2. I have Star Walks Into a Bar and Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo is a red. I'm going to pack it. Star Walks Into a Bar is very dark, so I'm gonna pack those away. All right. These are all limited edition. I know this is Bitter Bubbly from Mariah Carey, and it's dirty. You wipe it off. I use it to mix with other colors. There we are. It is much lighter than JK Magic. I think I'm going to go ahead and pack it. I've got High Fructis, which is a pretty coral. It's down here. I think I'm gonna hang on to that and think about it. And then this other one is Dreaming of You, which is a dark red. I'm going to pack that. And then last here I have a Dozen Carnations, which is a red. I'm gonna pack that. Now I have my Revlon. I love Revlon lipsticks. I do. Let me see what I got here. I got Champagne on Ice, which is a pretty matte. But I think I'm going to pack it. I'm going to pack Champagne on Ice. Rose and Shine is pretty, but I'm going to pack it. Stormy Pink. It's a vintage color. It is really pink. I don't really wear it much unless I mix it. I'm not going to keep that out. Certainly Red is certainly red. I'm going to pack that. Pink in the Afternoon is Audrey Hepburn's color. It's right here. I think I'm going to pack it. Fire and Ice, we all know that is red. I'm going to pack it. It's an orangey red. And then last I have Cherries in the Snow, which is more of a pink. It's dark pink. I'm going to pack it. So those are all going to get packed away. Now, liquid lips is what I have left. Let's look at the Jeffree Star. What is this? Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, no. This one is Ofra. It's a red. And Rendezvous. No. There is a red I got from Huda. I think I'll keep out. Miss America. I'm going to keep that one. This Huda I'm going to put away. This is, what color is this? Passionista. I have these Tarte I'm going to pack. This is a glitter flip from Ciate. I'm going to pack that. This color is from Shane Dawson Jeffree Star collab. It's Ryland. Is that right? Right? Yeah. Ryland. It's right here. It's very shimmery. I think I'm going to go ahead and pack it. Let me go through and look at exactly what I know I'm not going to take out. This one is Fearless. This is Huda in Material Girl. Won't be wearing that. This is a Strobe. It's Shameless. I'm not going to fool with that. Here's some, these reds. I've got Guerlain, and it's a number, M27. And then I have another Huda in Heartbreaker. I'm going to pack those up. This one looks a little light to me. Posh Spice. I'm going to pack that. This glitter flip from Ciate in Infamous. Now we're getting down to it. Let's see if I can get you down here. Or here. That's not going to set up very well. All of you go back there. And I'll put you guys right here. If I can get you down there. Now, okay. I have a pink here. Doll Parts. That is Doll Parts. I do like Doll Parts. This is Huda in Trophy Wife. That one is darker. I think I'm going to pack Trophy Wife. I'm going to pack this red Showgirl. Pack that away. I'm going to pack this one in First Class. This Jeffree Star in Androgyny. I do like... No, I'm going to pack it away. And this one in Christmas Cookie. I'm going to pack that away. This is a little dark. I'm going to pack it Famous. I have an Infamous and I have a Famous. This one's more brown. It's Trendsetter. Alright, let's get down to it. Spice Girl. That's a little more brown. Clout. Let me... No, Clout is purple. Shimmery purple. I'm not going to keep that out. Now I've got Provocateur. Put that on my hand. And Provocateur and Chica. Provocateur Chica.
Hi, hope you're enjoying this video. Hey, did you know that you can now direct message with this video creator? Yep, just click the Responda link down in the description. Okay, I'll let you get back to the video.
Okay, Provocateur, Chica, and Doll Parts I'm going to keep out with Miss America. This Walk of a Star, Charlotte Tilbury, and JK Magic in Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to go ahead and pack up High Fructis, and I am going to go ahead and pack up Honeymoon. So these, I kept 6. I kept 6 out. So these are what I'm going to be using during the transition. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.